DXY made a huge fall, right? After doing this parabolic move, it made a huge fall back to where it started from. It came down to near about same level, and now it is bouncing up from there. Why? Because it has been acting as a previous support. That's quite simple, right? But what's going to happen next? What kind of scenarios can we have on DXY? Even if you're not trading DXY directly, whatever you're trading at the moment, whether it is indices, gold, commodities, or even forex pairs, everything is kind of indirectly or directly related to dollar strength index. So this analysis is very, very important, and make sure that DXY analysis is part of your analytical tools and part of your trading strategy. So stay tuned. Right here on DXY, what is happening? As I said, the market created this upside move, very nice move. And if you follow my analysis on Telegram and other places, or if you have been following me for a long time on DXY analysis, for past few months I've not been posting, but if you've been following me, or if you have seen my analysis previously from past years, you know that we have been looking for this particular move, and then this market started to go down. It came down to this level here, and now it is bouncing up. Now, after this, there are only a couple of scenarios which can happen. One is that we have this resistance level. So again, same thing. What happened here can happen there as well. We have minor resistance here at the moment, right there at the previous structure. Okay, and then obviously the bigger resistance is there. Here at the in terms of support, we have here this previous low. But if this is broken, if this resistance is broken, then what can happen? This can form a very nice W pattern. And that's what I'm looking at. I'm monitoring all of these levels very closely, and I can look for short positions on DXY. Not directly, but I will probably be trading the same thing on gold or euro dollar or GBP USD or other places, or USD CHF. I heavily have been trading USD CHF. I was able to take very nice trade last year during this move with USD CHF. I posted that on Telegram group and Twitter as well. And I'm currently invested in USD CHF again because of this move. So you see, you do not have to trade DXY directly. You can trade other currency pairs which are dependent on dollar. So this is why, the W pattern that we have got, if this market breaks through this mid level here on the bearish side of things, remember, as an analyst, your job is to stay unbiased. What happens, right? Most of the traders or most of the analysts, they have this prediction. They want to have predictions. No, the purpose is not to actually predict. Purpose is actually to create scenarios. And if the market moves according to your scenario, you take the position and manage your risk, and that's how you make money. So what you can say is that, okay, there is again a potential M pattern forming, and which can bring dollar back down to 92 or so. You see this parabolic move which happened in the 2021 and 22. This actually left several gaps open, and DXY never leaves any kinds of gaps open. So at some point in time, I'm expecting that market will go down here, but I do not suggest, or I'm not suggesting that it will fall down right now. It can take years. In terms of gaps, if you know me, I've already been posting about this in LinkedIn. There was a gap on CHF which got closed after 42 years. So it can take very, very long time. However, if the market breaks through this midpoint, then it can form an M, and those gaps can actually get filled while forming this M pattern. So this is how you read this. um, right now, because it is moving upwards and it is nowhere close to the midpoint here, that means, so far potentially this is going to form a W pattern. Given that, if this midpoint is broken, then it is going to rise up. And if it is going to rise up, then obviously euro USD is going to fall, GBP USD is going to fall, and other stuff, right? Similar sort of currency pairs, such as the USD JPY will continue to go up, and USD CHF will go up. So things like that. Now, if I go to the daily time frame, actually, let me open this scenario. So this is what we had. All of these levels were given to you, several months in advance. Now the market has come back to the same zone. It is bouncing up. So it remains to be seen whether it actually, how it reacts around these levels. There is another level here, which is a minor level, which is going to be approximately where we are right now. Approximately this level here, 103.791. Now, instead of me calling out these levels, you can just watch this video again and look at these numbers here on the chart. Now, There is another scenario here. This is the long term scenario. This is what I've been posting about for a few years. So the market was in a consolidated range. We have been bullish on DXY from here because we had this W pattern going to complete here. It reached our second target, and potential target 3 is around 127 if the market continues to go up. Right now, if you pay attention to the current candle, by the way, I'm on monthly time frame. The market is potentially going to create an W pattern, and if that happens, the market may come back into this FCP zone here, which is around 108 to 110. And if it continues to go up, then it can come back into 113 level or so. And then if it continues to go beyond, it can go further beyond into these extended levels. So never say no. Anything can happen in the market. So right now, the market is back into this consolidation area. This is basically consolidation, multi-year consolidation, which is being tested again, right? So this bounce is the retest which is happening from this consolidation area, and if it persists, then it can continue to form those W patterns. Another way of looking at this is here. So this is how we do the premium analysis as well, right? And not exactly like this, but it's quite similar. We have several gaps here, so all of these blue lines that you have seen is like gaps. So the market came down to collect like liquidity and close those gaps, and now it is bouncing up. So there are a few gaps here available here. There are many more gaps left which are not there on this chart, but you get an idea. If the market continues to go up, then there is a gap around 104.077. It can go there. Otherwise, it can reach 105, which is a gap beyond that. So there is a gap available here at 108 level as well. And so you should be aware of these levels. These levels can attract the price towards them. So this is what we have very quickly on DXY. Hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other traders and trading communities. By the way, I've just posted gold XAU USD analysis as well. So if you're interested in that, go and watch out. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Find and follow us on these social media channels.